Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at a handheld vacuum that works on upholstery and mattresses made by HEAPET. Now, I just got through testing this unit and it is truly amazing. This is what came out of the actual unit. Dust, hair, lots of dust mites, you name it, it's all in here. Now, I tested that on a brand new sofa that I thought was sparkling clean, did not have any problems. I also tested it on my new king size mattress, comforter, and the mattress itself. So it is truly amazing what it manages to pull out. So let's go ahead and go over some of the things that I found while I was testing it. First of all, I want to point out that it is not a single roller system. It is a dual roller system, and this system operates at 42,000 RPMs. That means it's going to actually turn 42,000 times per minute. Truly, truly amazing, and there's two of them, so it's going to have a ton of suction power to pull things out of your mattresses and your upholstery. And by the way, the suction power on this is 16 kilopascals, which is a lot for a handheld vacuum. And I think that has a lot to do with the dual roller system. Now, I do like the simplicity of how you actually open it, clean it, change out filters. It has a button right here. You just push down and this whole system pops up. The HEPA filter, which is going to be a little over 95% efficient. The whole system as a whole is over 99.9% efficient, but it pulls out and you can clean it. Do not just throw these away and put another one in. Clean them. They'll last a long time. They're also going to give you a backup. So they're going to give you two filters in the beginning. To actually get everything out, you simply just remove the little black cover here, and this has a steel mesh filter as well. So we're going to put the HEPA back in. It has a little handle you hold, take it, turn it, and you'll lock it into place. Now this goes back in. You have to tilt it slightly, and you'll hear it click. There it is, and it's back in. Now, some of the things I think that are really cool about it is it has heat up to 149 degrees. So why would you need heat? What's the heat going to do? First of all, it actually will get rid of the moisture and everything in your mattresses or on your sofa, because you tend to put moisture in your bedding and on your sofas while you're sitting or sleeping on them. Dust mites love the dampness and the moisture. So you're going to take away that moisture, dry everything out. It also makes it easier when it dries out to lift all that dust and dander out of your mattress or your sofa. Now, this one even has a UV light. Now, the UV light generally works best if it's on something a little bit more long term. So if you're sitting there cleaning, instead of going real fast, if you're wanting to use the UV for sanitation, slow it down a little bit and make slower motions. And one thing I noticed while I was going through the review is the light would go off if I pushed down too hard. But if I raised it up just a little, the UV light would light up, meaning that the UV was working. So keep that in mind as well. Now, you also will notice if you raise it way up and it's tilted like this or what have you, the UV light's going to go off because it's going to protect you from getting hit by the UV light itself. You're going to have two speeds. It's going to start in slow. You push again, you're going to actually get the high speed. Now, this is one of the things when I read in the review, everybody was complaining, or not everybody, a few people were complaining about the cord. They didn't like the fact that it was plugged in. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, it's about 16 and a half feet of cord. It is a lot of cord. So I can get all the way around a king size bed. I can get all the way around a double sectional sofa without any problem. And it's going to have a lot of power because it's working on 110 and not a battery. I don't particularly like buying these type units with a battery, because if that battery fails somewhere down the line and I can't get a replacement, now I'm stuck with a unit that I can't do anything with. This unit should last a very long time because of the cord. Another thing that I read in the comments is they said it was heavy. This weighs probably 5 to maybe 8 pounds, if that much. It's not heavy at all, and one of the things you're going to want is a little bit of weight when you put this down so that it'll hold itself without you having to push so hard. I think what people were thinking is it's something like a wand with a hose. Now, that obviously would have no weight, but this is a complete vacuum system in your hand, and it is not heavy at all. I can hold it with my little finger, no problem. So I don't really think either one of those things are distractors. I think they're actually pluses. So I used it most of the afternoon cleaning, and I could not find anything wrong with it. By the way, cleaning it with using it to clean, I should say, with for an hour or so, it did not get hot. It was cool to the touch. It was very quiet, was not noisy. Overall, great little system. So if you're looking for something to clean your pet bedding, if you're looking for something to clean your mattress sets, to clean your sofas, your recliners, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this. And I think it will last for many years the way it is. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.